So imagine this black space right here, above and below the red line. Imagine that's the universe. Or imagine this space encompasses the manifestation of every single word that comes out of your mouth, or every thought that you have. Imagine that is God. Imagine the power of your words. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 2 plus 2 equals 7. I know you probably stumbled for a second on that. Well, how does 2 plus 2 equal 7? Never heard that before. But then again, the question is, well, how come 2 plus 2 doesn't equal 7? How come 10 plus 10 actually equals 20? Let's talk about it in another edition of the New Wave Reality Series. 2 plus 2 equals 7. Well, how's that so? It's because I said so. No, I'm being serious. I'm not trying to make a joke or anything. 2 plus 2 is 7 because I said so. I said it is. Keep in mind, the New Wave Reality Series is about shape-shifting and creating a new reality, helping to create your own future. So let's dive into it a little bit. And I'm not talking about research. I know numbers were created, the system in itself was created by the Hindus, if I'm correct, Babylonians, and was later rearranged and adjusted by the Romans, Greeks, and the Egyptians. That's cool, and there's probably some more information I'm lacking, probably a lot. But where did the numbers come from? Like, who actually made up numbers in particular? If you're one to believe that time doesn't exist, and we're not defined, body, mass, and energy is not defined by the constructs of time and days, but we're merely just here existing in space, particles, combined with one another to equal 1. Who taught you that 2 plus 2 equals 4? Was it your mother? Was it your father? Was it the same teacher that possibly taught you that Columbus found America? Was it the same individual that taught you all these holidays and what they mean? Like, who taught you that? Now, I understand you can't go around rearranging and adjusting the system to fit your needs. The system is what it is. You can't really change 2 plus 2 equals 4 pertaining to the system. I'm not trying to even encourage you to teach your son and your daughters this so they go to school and challenge the teacher. We're not going to do that. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about words and the power of words. You've known that 2 plus 2 equals 4 ever since you was a kid. And it's part of many, many, many millions of things that make up your identity and the basis of who you are. It's part of the foundation of your existence. You know what 2 plus 2 is, and you've known what it is forever. And it's kind of hard to forget what 2 plus 2 is. That's how important a word can be. That's the impact of words. Even the shape of the number 2 was created by somebody. The shape of the number 8 was created by somebody. Somebody created that, and it stuck. Like, we create our own words. Other people choose words for us to go by, for us to be defined by. It's just a word. It's just a number. And underneath it all, it really has no meaning, other than the meaning that somebody gave to you however many years back. 2 plus 2 is 7 because I said so. Just like I will use another word or another phrase later on today to create how I want to feel, what I want to do, where I want to go, how I'm going to get there. How often do you say, after work I'm going to the store? And you get there. But could you get there if you didn't make it up in your mind to say that? And could you get there if you didn't make it up in your mind and know exactly where you're going? You can usually see where you're going before you even get there. You're predicting things without even knowing you're predicting things. What if I told you that 80% of your day is predicted before it even happens? Before the moment even gets there? That's how often we don't live in the moment. That's how often we don't realize and recognize the power of our words and our thoughts. Point being, use your words. Use your words to create your own reality. 2 plus 2 can be 7 if you wanted to. 10 plus 10 can be 13 if you wanted to. That's what I'm trying to show you in this reality series. I'm trying to show you that you don't have to be dependent on other people, on the system, on the government, on traditions, on things your mother and your father taught you, on things that you've always known based on the environment and neighborhood you grew up in, based on the friends that you have, based on the job that you have. You don't have to live that way. Totally. I get it. I know you have to survive. I get that. I understand. Your children have to survive. They have to put the answer to 2 plus 2 is 4 in order to get an A+ on the test. I get it. But what I'm trying to say also is that understand that the words, and they have a lot of power. Use your words to create your own identity and stop relying so much on other people and other things around you. Okay? 2 plus 2 equals 7. All right, take care. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll do some more of these. We're diving in a little deeper into the New Wave reality series. Again, it's all about shape-shifting and creating your own reality. It's all about love, peace, joy, and unity. Take care of yourself.